Manufacturers try to fool us. Bakery muffins are a good example. It may say 230 calories. But if you look at the serving size, it's for a third of a muffin. So the whole muffin is 230 times 3, 690 calories for nothing but bad fat and white flour. That's what we call empty calories. You need the vitamins and minerals to burn the calories, or your metabolism slows down. Our bodies need protein. Proteins only stay in the body as protein for a few hours. So it's best to space protein at least 3 times a day. So when you read a label, it's not just the calories, but does it have nutritional value? Or is it empty calories? It doesn't mean we can't have some empty calories, but do we want to blow 700 empty calories when something for 200 calories can satisfy us? And it's even better if it provides some nutritional value. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.